오, 스마로. 카스테.
네, 성공. Huh? Correct lah. You go with Pa, then David go with not lah. You go in the red boat, David.
Which red boat?
Matching your shirt. There is on the boat already, what?
I thought it's red color, sorry. I saw a red bag, I thought matching your part.
There's a lot of confusion going on.
Massive confusion going on. First day.
These guys definitely need the big boat if they're going to be casting.
Yeah, they are sorted.
Yeah.
Two Davids.
Just pop. Intergalactic. It's on, buddy. It's on. I hope you brought your measure tape and your camera and
Yeah, David versus David.
Here we go, guys. Let's go fishing.
We're stuck.
So the water level has dropped a lot this trip. As you can see, we are what do you call this? Beached. That's what it's called. So we're trying to get out of this situation. The water level is usually not this low this time of the year. As a matter of fact, this is the lowest we have seen the water level at the rivers. So I'm actually curious to see how this low water level will affect our fishing.
You see the swirls near the wall? Near to the wall where the bamboo was? There are fish there. See that? Yep. Oh. Yep. Make a longer cast further upstream, middle of the river.
yeah, there's so many.
They're looking. Too close. Right at the edge of the shadow. Okay, where the big yellow leaf just dropped down. Either short or near the yellow leaf, not longer than that. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Oh. Yeah, make a longer cast. See the swirl there? Try that and see.
Yep. Oh. We moved further upriver to try our luck. This is actually one of my favorite spots. But David is on to a fish.
Decent sized one. Anyone can catch a MAHSEER here, but to catch a tin foil on the river, it's quite a big splash. I thought it was a MAHSEER.
Yeah, me too. There's a tinfoil barb. We don't always encounter them up in the river. And this is further upstream.
MAHSEER?
Yeah, it's a MAHSEER.
MAHSEER?
Yeah.
On the strip like that?
Yeah, they do take.
I didn't know they did it.
It's just less exciting. You can't see them.
Ah. I thought for sure when he hit, it must be some else.
No.
You guys playing tough today.
Yeah. Okay, let it sink. Oh, Sparrow, cast there. Cast again. Chasing bait fish. There. Another rice there. Cast there. Do you see that? See, they are near the middle now. See that?
Yeah.
Good size fish.
Very good.
They strip it back and make a cast, a longer cast. See that? The rice? Yeah, that's where they are. What fly do you have?
Mop.
There's another rice. Yeah, another one. Yeah, go for it. I still see fish beyond that tree trunk though. It's a long cast. Very, very long cast. Oh. Long.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's been a very dry, windy day today. This is another one of my favorite spots, but because the water level is very low,
Oh,
the fish are
just drifted over it.
very spooky.
Didn't do anything.
They're right inside, under the hanging leaves.
I can't see. Oh, there's a few following. Yeah, it's a small MAHSEER.
Going crazy.
Yeah, little MAHSEER.
This one took the fly as soon as it landed.
Got it? Good. Looks like a good fish. What size?
Yeah, I saw like 3 of them facing upriver. And
Oh, nice.
yeah, see the
Oh, look at that. Must be an otter. See, they've been doing a lot of swimming. The tails are broken. Now, they got excited.
Are they still there?
Yeah, yeah. No, make a longer cast. Bring it back, bring it back.
Nice fish. But you got to approach them really carefully though. Very clear and shallow water. And most of the time you only have one chance to put your fly on target. Look at those fish. There's a whole bunch of them there. Some are quite big too. I like looking at them, observing them. I think it helps me to learn more about them, their behavior and things like that. Especially fish like this that spokes easily. You look at them and then you plan your moves and then try to get them with your first cast,
There was a set of like 6 right here. So I figured I would take the
Yeah.
gut.
They were still there, yeah.
Good.
Well, I was expecting you to cast and then it's so boof.
Well, they were just in perfect position. They were all just lined up. I was like, I know I can hit that.
Yeah, that's why first cast, you have to put it where they are. It's not bad, this fish. Oh, that's a nice fish.
And he's beat up too.
Yeah. It's a nice fish. That's why when you put the fly one cast and they eat it, that's it.
That's it.
Nice. Very nice.
I think that's my PB.
Yeah, could be.
MAHSEER. Okay. Oh! Oh!
It's a nice fish. Tough fishing, but good way to end the day.
Yeah, that's what I always said before. I said, what was it? Tough start, strong finish.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and good.
That was a nice fish by David. Always nice to catch a good fish to end the day.
Oh,
And after a long walk back, it's always nice to see our boat. And what do we have here? A couple of wild boars.
big wild boars.
And there's one that's really huge.
On the water?
No, it's far, the far side,
Right below.
near our boat.
Right below.
Huge.
Right below.
It's probably around 100 kilo.
That's a... Oh, that's his ass.
It's a long way to zoom in. That's just where our boat is. Still not moving. I wonder if they ate our mango.
Look at them.
I wonder if they ate our mango.
Oh, they did.
Wild boars are fairly common. We see them quite often actually when we fish here. Sometimes pretty up close as well.
Dài đó. Ồ. Ui. Ồ, ở đây. Oh, there's a big monitor lizard. You see that? You see the big ass lizard?
No, but I see them.
Even more wild boars on our way out.
Whoa, good size. Seem to be coming to the shallow and swimming downstream.
Oh,
Oh man.